A lot of people ask me how to check which graphics card is in their computer. It is important for several tasks like checking minimum system requirements for new games, updating your old display driver, etc. Checking which graphics card you have in your PC laptop is quite easy. However, if you're new to using a PC, then here are some steps to figure out exactly which graphics card you have. First method. Open Start menu and type Run. Open Run feature. Type DXDIAG in the Run window. A DXDIAG window will appear. In the DXDIAG window, click on the Display tab located at the bottom left. In my case I have two GPU, integrated graphics and dedicated graphics card. This will tell you all the information about the graphics card in your system. Second method. Right-click on this PC and press Properties. In the System window, click on Advanced System Settings. System Properties will appear. In Advanced System Settings, click on Hardware and then on Device Manager. Inside the Device Manager window, click on the little arrow in front on Display Adapters. If you want more information from your GPU, you need to install a program called GPU-Z. Open your browser. Search for GPU-Z on Google. Open the first link and download and install the program. After you install it, open it. Here are all the information from your GPU.